It's raining cats and dogs today. All the windows are full of these rain droplets caught in the screening. My mermaids would love to be out there in it. My pansies and my seedlings are happy to be here inside. They'd be drenched if they were out. Here is perhaps the coolest. Maybe not. Because you can hear the rain. That's the second floor bathroom. And it's just sort of a nice feeling to hear rain. I guess that's why they sell those CDs. Rain sound. Here's another window you can hear the rain in. Out the front skylight on our top floor. And here the window is much larger, so you can really see it falling. I'm not sure if it's going to capture it. Here in my room are you light up my light bead strings. And they look pretty cool even in the grayness. And then there's Tommy. Good old Tommy has all the water he needs right there in his tank.